Coming to the menu at McDonald's, the world's largest fast food chain is posting calorie counts for its food on its menu boards all across the country. But the changes are already in place here in the metro area. Fox 31 Denver's Tammy Veal joins us live from a Denver McDonald's, getting your questions answered. Tammy?
Ron, this is one of the many local McDonald's where right next to the price of the food are some new numbers. They represent the calories in each food, like this hamburger, which has 365 calories. Nutrition experts applaud the addition, but some customers really could care less.
Hi there, what can we make for you today?
It's not what they can make in the kitchen, but the numbers they put on their menu boards that makes it easier to eat healthy.
This is something we've done for 30 years. We've had our McDonald's nutritional information posted in the restaurants. It's been on the back of tray liners, on our packages for food.
But now the fast food giant posts just how many calories your favorite foods contain. A Big Mac alone is 550 calories, an Angus mushroom and Swiss burger 770, or a Caesar salad with grilled chicken 190 calories, no dressing.
This is great.
Registered dietitians say the calorie information could make a dent in our collective guts over time.
People who are actually looking into living a healthier lifestyle, they'll look at that stuff. The people who aren't thinking about that at all, you know, they're not even going to see that.
Like this customer whose order combined for 535 calories.
I would have made a different decision, and now it's too late. So.
Another customer got a quarter pounder with cheese at 520 calories, but she's okay with that.
But I'll be careful tonight.
While others say calories are not what they look for in good food.
I come here for the taste, and I'm not necessarily watching my figures.
Fast food often gets labeled as fat food, but McDonald's hopes these new menu boards give customers food for thought.
It's a new change that I would pay attention to.
Now, McDonald's is considered an industry leader in making nutritional changes. It was the first to take the trans fat out of its French fries, one of the first to introduce fruit into its kids' meals, and now it has reduced the amount of sodium in all of its foods by 11%. In Denver, Tammy Veal, Fox 31 Denver.
All that looks so good. What an assignment Tammy has today. Well, for heart health.